This conference will now be recorded.
Welcome to an introduction to PASBO's online courses. We know you have a few questions about how the courses work and how they compare to our other professional development formats. So let's get started with a few of the most common questions we receive. First question is, how long are the courses? All PASBO online courses are broken up into 4 separate modules. The modules are to be completed 1 per week. Therefore, the full course allotment is a 4-week period. We're confident that students are going to be able to complete the coursework within those 4 weeks. What platform do you use? We use the Schoology platform. This is used by K-12 districts across the country, and PASBO uses a free basic version for our courses. When and how often do we meet? Well, the course will start with a kickoff call on the first day at noon. This call will go over this information, the expectations of the course, as well as a full walkthrough of the Schoology platform and how to complete all of your assignments. This will give anyone who is not familiar with the Schoology platform an easy how-to guide and the ability to follow along as we walk you through how to post, how to answer the self-assessment quizzes, and how to download the materials. What is expected of me? The expectations are to complete 3 key pieces of the course in order to receive credit. First and foremost is to complete all self-assessment quizzes. Each module has self-assessment quizzes within it, and you must complete all quizzes within each module. You will have 3 attempts for each quiz, and then it will take the highest score that you have. We do encourage you, if you get a 9 out of 10 on the first one, to go back and take it again so that you can get the highest score possible. This also will make sure that you understand the question and why you may have gotten it wrong. The second requirement is to post an answer to all discussion questions. Each module is created with 2 discussion questions. The first one may have an intro, but the others are 2 content-related discussion questions. You must post an answer to each one of those questions to fulfill this expectation. Next, we ask that you respond to at least one other student's post in each one of those discussion questions. This will then create a thread, which will help to stimulate the discussion for the course, as well as to help you get a deeper dive into the information. Who should take these courses? Everybody. We encourage everyone to take an Elements course or one of our other deeper dive courses, as the information is relevant to everyone within school business. Obviously, a facilities person will not take a payroll course. However, if you have something within your responsibility that follows one of our courses, these courses have been found to be very beneficial. So whether it's something you do every day or if it's something that you do a few times a year, we are encouraging everyone to pick up and take one of the courses. You may be new to school business coming in from the outside. School business is special, so there are going to be some things that are different. These courses will also help you build your network. So not only are you going to be learning new information, but you'll be meeting people and talking with people in districts around the state. How much time will the course take? Well, the best answer is we don't know. It's up to you. Each person reads at a different speed, so you may take a lot more time to read the course materials as someone else, or you may fly through them pretty quickly. The other part that it depends on is your prior knowledge to the course. If you're taking budgeting and planning and you have never worked on a budget, then it may take more time for you as you go through that course. However, if it's something that you've already been doing for a few years, you may have more prior knowledge, and therefore it may take you less time to go through some of the materials. Also, the discussion questions are based on your district. So not only the content that you just read, but how it applies within your district. If it's a content piece that you are less involved with in your district, it may require a little bit more digging for you to answer that question. So we don't really know It's all dependent on you, but we are still confident that you'll be able to complete the course within the time constraints. Finally, we want to thank you because without you, we can't do what we're doing. So if you have any further questions, we do encourage you to pick up the phone and call our office or send an email to pasbo@pasbo.org at any time, and we would be happy to answer your questions. We hope that you found this quick Q&A beneficial, and we hope that you will sign up for an online course in the near future. We look forward to seeing you there.